Before you launch or grow your online store, you probably ask yourself this question: should I choose Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix? Well, as a developer who has worked with all three, I'm sharing my honest take to help you make the right decision for your business. Let's get started. Let's start with Shopify. If you want something clean, fast, and beginner friendly, Shopify is the top choice. It's fully hosted, meaning you don't have to worry about server or updates. You just focus on selling. However, it's not very flexible. Custom features can get expensive. And yes, those monthly fees and transaction charges, they do add up over time. But for clients who need speed, security, and reliability, Shopify is solid. Next up is WooCommerce, which is a plugin for WordPress. It's my pick for clients who want full control over their store. It's flexible, customizable, and there are thousands of plugins and themes. But here is a catch: you need to manage hosting, security, and updates yourself. So if you are not tech savvy, you will either need a developer or a lot of patience. Still, for business that plan to scale or need complex features, WooCommerce is powerful and cost-effective. Now let's talk about Wix. Wix is great for complete beginners who want something fast and easy. It's a drag and drop builder with built-in e-commerce tools. But as a developer, I will be honest, it's not ideal for scaling a serious business. Customization is limited, and you may outgrow it quickly if you plan to expand or integrate advanced features. So I usually recommend Wix only for small shops, side hustles, or testing an idea. Now in just a moment, I'll tell you which platform I recommended most often to my e-commerce clients based on the budget, goals, and future growth. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, drop a like and comment below with which platform you are currently using or planning to use. So, which platform do I recommend it the most? Honestly, it depends on the client. For most new businesses, Shopify is my go-to because of its simplicity. For businesses with existing traffic, SEO focus, or custom requirements, WooCommerce wins. And for anyone just testing an idea with a tight budget, Wix can be a temporary solution. But no matter which platform you choose, what matters is your strategy, your product, and how well you serve your customers. And hey, if you're running an e-commerce business or planning to launch a new one soon and you need help choosing a platform or growing your store, reach out to us at info@ecomclips.com. At Ecomclips, we help business like yours scale and succeed. Whether you're just starting out or ready to optimize what you already have. Click the next video on the screen to learn the top mistakes to avoid when launching a new online store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.